In the first clip, the man can't have children, yet his wife ended up pregnant, and now he's just found out about it.
Karen,
What's up?
in all seriousness, in my whole 41 years of living, how is it possible that you're pregnant by somebody else? That is not me. I can't have kids.
I wanted
So
a baby.
before-
I said
If
I
I
wanted a
wasn't
baby.
nonviolent, I would smack the shit out you. That's so disrespectful. In my house? By
I
who?
wanted a baby.
By who?
I took the only sperm available.
My son?
He's of age. He's 20.
Getting pregnant by another man is already betrayal, but doing it in his own house, that's next level disrespect. And then when it gets exposed, there's no accountability, no explanation, just chaos. You can feel why he's that angry. Anyone would be. He's holding it together, but inside he's clearly done.
Hey, Pop, come on, man. Come to find out, I had a DNA test and it came back 90% mine, so it has to be yours. I have no brother and no uncles. So how is it possible you got my wife pregnant?
Son, how long you been living with me now?
How long?
Come on, it's been 2 years.
Okay.
2 years. 2 years, Pop. Pop, she needs a pack of cigarettes. Pop, she needs a girly whap or napkins or whatever. I didn't say anything. Come on, you ain't working. I'm the one she.
So because I'm not working, you have my woman?
No, I didn't have your woman. If somebody else could have your woman, she's not yours, son. She's not yours. Now, don't get mad at me. I'm your son. I'm your father. Nothing I wouldn't do for you, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Yes, we've been together, okay? But ask her why this thing's happened.
Here we go.
Before you go to bed, you check out the dog.
Hold on, man. I'm over here having a discussion with my father. Yes, I'm having a discussion with my father right now. Thank you. It's very important.
And I thought I took the garbage out too.
The wife crossed the line, no question. But the father, that's even worse. That's the one person who's supposed to never do you like that. And his excuse, if someone else can have your woman, nah, that's just avoiding responsibility. Both of them made that choice. It's not just a relationship broken, it's family destroyed. Next, we've got a situation where the man was locked up for 3 years, and when he came out, his wife was pregnant. After that, this happened.
Look, genius, the damn baby ain't mine. Read the goddamn letter. Stupid. This is what I get for messing with you.
I'm sorry, like, what are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is this. We had a kid, or we had a child together.
We did.
No, we don't. I went and got a blood test and it came back that the baby's not mine. I don't even want to know how this happened.
That can't be right. Cause
I was locked up for 3 years. I come back and the kid ain't mine, for real?
It is. I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry. I
No,
don't
you're
want
not.
you to just
No,
go.
you're not. I want to know, yo, who was you with? Who was you with?
I wasn't with nobody. I'm sorry. Like,
You know, you didn't even open the goddamn letter. You're so goddamn sorry.
cause
Look at me. In all seriousness, you got to break it down to the boy for 8 years who's thinking that I'm the kid, that I'm his father, and obviously I'm not.
you are.
You got to tell him I'm
you
not.
Can't just leave when you've been helping raising him.
No. He's
This
damn
can't
right.
be
I love him,
right.
but I
don't know
can't
how
do it. I
happened.
can't do it.
I don't know what happened.
I can't do it. And I'm sorry your pops is here, but I'm sorry, pops.
I'm sorry.
You know what I mean? It is what it is.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to
Nah,
just
it is
go.
what it is. Nah, it's a dub. Like, in all seriousness, you got to tell him. Like, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing.
It's literally yours.
No,
Like,
it's
it
literally
can't be
not.
right.
It's not fucking my kid. Excuse my language, but it's not. So it is what it is, but it's over
So
with.
you just gonna leave?
Yes, I'm bouncing. It's a dub. It's a dub. All right? You got to go. In all seriousness, you got to explain to him what happened, not me. You could explain to him what happened. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand?
But you,
I'm gonna show everybody what's going on. I'm gonna
Okay.
show it to your moms and your pops and everybody else. Watch.
but they know that it's yours.
No, they
though,
do
so-
not know it's mine. Obviously, they don't know. I didn't know.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay,
You
we're
can
gonna
just
see.
figure it out.
Yeah, we're gonna figure. Yeah, you damn right. We're gonna figure it out in court.
We-
In court.
Okay, well.
And I want my name off that birth certificate too, because I signed that shit like an idiot.
No, you're gonna stay on the birth.
No, I'm not.
Bro, imagine coming back after 3 years, thinking you're stepping back into your life, and then finding out the child you've been raising isn't even yours. You can hear it in his voice. It's not just anger, it's shock, betrayal, everything hitting at once. And she's still saying that can't be right, like the test doesn't exist. But for him, his whole reality just flipped in seconds. The hardest part, it's not even about her anymore. It's about that kid who's been calling him dad all this time, and now he's the one who has to walk away, and she's the one who has to explain the truth. And this isn't even a one-off case. In the next clip, you'll see another situation with a similar kind of betrayal.
5 years and the kid's not mine? No, put it down. 5 years? 5 years? 5 years we got a son together and look, the kid's not mine. How do you explain that? How do you explain that?
Come on, birthday, nigga.
On your birthday, yes. On your birthday. I want everybody to see that you can't be trusted on your birthday because 5 years I've been dating you and the kid's not mine. How's that possible? Before you say anything on your birthday, I want you to know I canceled your trip. So there's no trip. There's no trip. You can dance on what you want, and guess what?
I got money too.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Because I took the money out the bank accounts. I have the codes, genius. And that's my money I put in there.
What you thought
Okay?
was there.
Okay?
What you thought
Okay?
was there.
I don't care what you're going to pull
What
out.
you thought was there.
I hope you
I
can.
got
Okay.
it cash.
I hope you. I hope
And I
hope
left
that's enough
you
for
with
rent.
something.
I hope that's
and
enough
I
for rent.
transferred others.
Yeah, yeah, whatever.
Don't think
you gotta
I
go
owe
though.
money
I bet. Listen, look.
like, what are you
You
talking
and the
about?
boy gotta go. Gots to go
Gots
now,
to go.
pumpkin. Go.
Go.
Go. Yeah, you gotta go.
Go.
Aren't you about to go for your birthday? Bye.
It's my birthday.
Then go.
You will go before I
No,
do.
your neighbor's on the lease. How you gonna kick me out? Yeah, yes, yeah. You can do that all you want. Explain yourself.
All I need to do is make a phone call. Don't
Make
even
a
play
phone
with me.
call to an Uber.
It's my birthday. It's
To one of your little
Christmas
boyfriends,
season.
whoever
Don't even
kid
play
that
with-
is.
Don't,
Call
I'm
him.
The female version of NBA YoungBoy. Don't even play with me, bruh.
Excuse me, Mark.
September, Libra, and all that.
Oh, man, I don't got time for none of that. You gotta go. You understand
No,
that?
You about to go.
You have to go.
All right,
You
come
gotta
on,
go.
come
Don't
on.
put your hands on me because as soon as you start doing that stuff.
5 years, bro. 5 years, and then finding out the kid isn't even yours. You can feel the anger in him. It's not just about the relationship anymore. It's about being lied to for years. And the worst part, it's happening on her birthday. For her birthday is important. He's exposing everything right there. Canceling the trip, talking about the money, like everything just flipped in a second. And she's still arguing back, instead of actually explaining anything.
Oh, you in here sitting down eating, and I need all my money back, bro. I'm not. Right there, open that right now, bro. You been playing with me, bro. Them twins are not mine. Open this. Come on. What is this? This is DNA test for the twins. You know the twins? You said that was mine? 12 years? 12 years? You see this?
It ain't even
I need it. I don't care, bro. I went to go get the DNA test, bro. Stop playing.
First of all,
Where's the money? I need my money. I don't even care. I need my money.
twins is 12 years old.
I don't care.
If you want a DNA test, you should have got the DNA test when I laid on the table. when
That
we
don't
came out.
mean nothing,
You was
bro.
there.
Nah, I want
It don't matter.
I got this
It don't
DNA
matter.
test.
12 years. Who
Damn.
else do they know?
Like, what
Who
is
else
y'all,
do
what
they
is you
know?
doing?
Who else do they
I
know?
need my money.
I'm eating because every dollar
I
I
don't
make
care
over
about
my
that. I don't care about none of that, bro. What? Where's my money? Lay that right here.
Clearly, you want to tussle.
Like,
You want to tussle.
come on. I need my money, bro.
You want to tussle.
You can feel where he's coming from. 12 years, thinking those kids are yours, investing time, money, emotions, and then finding out something like that, that's a deep kind of betrayal. So when he's saying, "Where's my money?" it's not just about money. It's everything he put in, everything he believed was real. He's not calm because this isn't a small issue. His whole reality just got flipped. At that point, it's not greed, it's hurt turning into anger. Alright guys, we're gonna leave it there for today. If you enjoyed the breakdown, hit subscribe before you head out, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.